In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove rows containing certain data using filters in Google Sheets. To get started, open your spreadsheet on the Google Sheets platform and make sure the dataset you want to clean up is visible on screen. The goal here is to temporarily filter the sheet so that only the rows you want to remove are shown. This makes it much easier to delete the correct information without affecting the rest of your data. First, highlight your entire dataset. If you want the quickest method, you can click the empty square in the top left corner of the sheet to select everything at once. This tells Google Sheets which range you want the filter to apply to. Next, go to the Data menu in the top toolbar and click Create a Filter. As soon as you do that, you'll see small green funnel icons appear in your column headers. These filter icons let you control which rows are shown based on the contents of each column. Now click the filter icon on the specific column that contains the data you want to target. From here, you have two ways to isolate the unwanted rows. The first option is useful when you are looking for specific text or numbers. Click Clear to uncheck everything. Then type the exact keyword or criteria into the search box. Click Select All and click OK. This will narrow the sheet down to rows that match that value. The second option is better if you want to use a rule instead of an exact search. Click Filter by Condition. Open the drop-down menu and choose a condition such as text contains or text does not contain. Then type the value you want to use and click OK. This is especially helpful when the data may not match perfectly but still follows a pattern. Once the filter is applied, the spreadsheet will hide your good data and only display the unwanted rows. Take a moment here to confirm that the visible rows are exactly the ones you want to remove. Then highlight all of the visible rows you want to delete. Click the row number of the first visible row, hold down the Shift key and click the row number of the last visible row. This selects the full range of filtered rows. After that, right-click anywhere on the highlighted row numbers and choose Delete Selected Rows from the context menu. This part is very important. Make sure you click Delete Selected Rows, not the standard Delete Rows option, because the wrong choice could delete hidden data that you meant to keep. And that's it. Your unwanted rows are now removed while the rest of your spreadsheet stays intact. Thanks for watching.